This is the third video I am sharing with you on how to grow the Cape gooseberry, also known as Uvilla. In the first two videos, I shared with you how to sow the seeds and how to repot the Cape gooseberry. I'm going to put a link in the description box. You can check it out if you're growing this amazing fruit to find out how to get your seeds to germinate very quickly. Hint, it has something to do with the temperature. Anyway, check out the description box for the first two videos in the series. In today's video, find out when to transplant your Cape gooseberry in the garden, find out the planting distance and the growing condition. Also find out how soon you should expect to harvest some fruit. Thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. Please, as you watch, if you do enjoy the video, give it a like and leave a comment. It helps my channel grow. It helps YouTube suggest my video to many more people. That is one way to support this little channel. Thank you so much for your encouragement and your support. I started my Cape gooseberries from seeds indoors and later on moved them outside to my greenhouse. Why? Because it was still cold, so the greenhouse provided the right temperature for growth and also a good source of lighting. The right temperature is at least 15 degrees Celsius. That's about 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Today is planting day for my Cape gooseberries, the Uvillas. I'm going to be putting these in ground today. So I started them from seeds on the 24th of January and today is the 23rd of March. Essentially 2 months. In Houston, zone 9A, and this is my first time growing Uvillas. It looks like I'm going to have to stake them. The stems are very weak. We'll see. I have 5 of them. I think I'm gonna put 2 over here and then figure out what to do with the other 3. Probably plant 1 in a container and then maybe plant 2 in the front yard because it's a fruit. The Cape gooseberries do grow tall. They can grow up to 3 feet tall. As far as planting distance, you want to space them about 2 feet apart, at least 2 feet apart. They grow tall and they do spread sideways. So I'm absolutely measuring out that planting distance. Make sure that the soil you're using is moist and well drained. So I already have amended the soil with compost. And if you're planting in containers, make sure you're using potting mix. So I dig up the hole, at least the size of my container, bury my Cape gooseberries in there, and then cover around with more of the soil. Now, you can stake the Cape gooseberries. I prefer to do that because the stem is not, it's kind of like weak, let me put it that way. So I absolutely stake it and then use a garden twine to kind of like direct the plant to grow up, to give it that support. The Cape gooseberries take at least 90 to 120 days after transplanting in the garden to mature. So keep in mind that it takes 6 to 8 weeks to get them ready for the garden and then another 3 to 4 months on top of that. So total can be up to 6 months before you harvest any fruit. This is why we start the seeds indoors. After planting the Cape gooseberries, I went ahead and I used a type of transplanting fertilizer to help the roots actually settle in. This is completely optional, but always make sure that you deeply water after transplanting anything, including your Cape gooseberries. I'm applying some dried leaves as mulch to help with moisture conservation. You can grow the Cape gooseberries in containers as well. I absolutely put one in a 5-gallon bucket and that 5-gallon bucket is equipped with a self-watering device. In the next video, I will share with you how to care for the Cape gooseberries. We'll talk about feeding, watering, mulching, and all of that good stuff. If you would like to grow this fruit along with me, I will put a link in the description box where you can get the seeds and grow along with me. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, maybe share, and I sincerely hope that I earned your subscription. If you like what I do on this channel, one way to support me is to join the family. Until next time, happy gardening everybody. Grow a garden. Bye bye.